Hello everybody, and welcome to a new episode in the VFR Pilot
Technical series.
Yes.
Yeah.
And today we will do something special.
Yes.
The first one was
The cover plates
cover
of
plate.
the seats.
the seats, and now we are doing something special.
Yes.
We'll give you a little explanation
Yeah.
for that.
So one of the things we have is that after a flight, usually the leading edge, it's quite dirty, lots of bugs,
Yeah.
lots of blood
Yes.
of animals
dead
sticking
animals.
to it. So we saw something from FlyWire,
Yeah.
YouTube of Scott Perdue.
Yes, I will link his channel
Yeah.
below.
And he said, well, we have a magnificent solution, and
Yeah.
that is to apply a leading edge protector from,
Yes.
this is the stuff from 3M, maybe I should not mention the name, but still. And in today's video we will try to apply it on our TB20
TB20, yeah.
and see how it works out, and maybe we get a better result as Scott.
Yeah, who
in
knows?
that case, Scott, if you're listening, watch how we will
Yeah.
deal with the situation.
Yes, of course. So we will get into it
Yes.
right away.
We are
and,
prepared. So the first thing we will do is degrease. Thanks,
Degrease.
Kim Beheyt,
Yeah,
for the supplies.
I will link his
Yeah.
website below, Kim.
Yeah.
So
And then we will need to apply a bit of tape,
yeah,
right, to get it fixed so it doesn't move too much. And then we need water,
water.
plenty of water. Why? Well, to slide a bit if the leading edge protector is not where we want it to be. And then we need to get out the
Yeah.
air bubbles
The air
and
bubbles, the water,
and hope it stays fixed.
Yeah. So yeah, I think we have a lot of preparation to do.
Yep.
Cleaning,
So
making a straight line so it is a bit straight.
yeah.
And then start pulling on the leading edge protector, I should say. So
And hopefully at the end we will be able to show
Yeah.
how it's applied. If we don't show anything, it means that
we had a
abandoned.
problem.
Okay.
Yes. So I hope you enjoy it, and I should say learn something about it.
Yep.
eh? So I will start with cleaning up the leading edge with a nice product we've got from Kim Beheyt, and after we've cleaned it, we will start with the drawing of a straight line so that the protector is a bit straight, so it looks nice. So in the meantime, Dirk is preparing the first part of leading edge tape,
Yep.
making sure that we
Have
cut
enough.
it on the right size, and make sure that we are ready to glue it onto the leading edge. Next part will be making sure that we have a straight line. So as you can see, we made a straight line with some painting tape. We've managed to glue the top side of the leading edge tape, and now it's all about making sure
No bubbles.
it sticks and we have no bubbles.
Okay, so we did the first part. I must say it's a bit harder than I thought it would be, especially around the rivets where you get a lot of air. So we had to cut through the rivets so that to make sure that the film is not bended, or there's not too much air around the rivets, causing maybe after some time a loosening of the film. So that's one later. We have 5 more to go.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
So let's get into it.
Yes. One of the fun parts of this work is
Yes.
peeling off.
Peeling off.
So Yuri has been trying for the last, let's say, 25 minutes to find the right corner to peel it off. And every time I have to say, Yuri, let me do it. I know how to how to. Kidding, I don't know how to do it. So
I
that's
see the
why
corner. I see the corner. Yes.
the corner is coming. See it? See it? See it? No, you don't see.
No, you don't see it
You don't see.
because
That's probably the most annoying part of the job, finding the right corner to peel it off.
yes,
Yeah, but
yes.
yeah. Okay, we got it.
I got it. Yes.
We got it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we did it.
We did it.
One wing is done after 1 hour, maybe a bit more. And so we put on the tape, and I may say that the result is not that bad. Of course, we have here and there some air bubbles, especially around the rivets. So we cut the rivets out, only better the plastic tape on the rivets. But it seems a good job.
Yes, it is.
Thanks to the technical skills of Yuri.
No.
Yeah, absolutely. So
We are a team.
Yeah, I say what he has to do, and he does it.
And
so
I do
that's
it, yes.
The way we
that's the
work
way
together.
we work together, yes. But as you can see, it's not very clear on the footage, but it is done.
On the tape, so it's not yellow at all.
No, the first one went a bit difficult, let's say.
Well, but I must say, the more pieces we put on, the more fluent we get. So and now we know that it's better to cut out the rivets, because otherwise the tape is not holding very well around the rivets.
Yes.
So we did that, but again, good.
The result is
job.
good. For the first time we pull out something like that. It's a good result. So
anybody that needs leading edge tape or put on their plane, so we are more or less experts now.
Yeah.
So we are happy to come to the States or China or Korea or Russia with our tape and our water spray bottle.
And we will.
And there also I will tell Yuri what to do. I will
of
manage
course.
the situation.
Yes, he's the manager and I'm the employee, as you can see.
Okay.
But
So,
that was wing number 1,
Yeah.
the right wing, and now we are going to
The left wing.
do the left wing,
Yeah.
But
And
we're
hope
going
you
to
have
take a break for now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And hope you got the measures right and we still have some tape.
Yes, let's hope. Just one note. Dirk measured the tape, but forgot to measure the elevator. But it's
Yuri,
something
please.
small.
Okay.
He will order some new tape, I think.
Quite very expensive stuff, by the way.
Yes.
But still, I think it's worthwhile if we spend less time cleaning and rubbing and scratching the leading edge. That makes it worthwhile.
Right. Yes.
No?
Okay. Well, we'll see you on the other side.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Ciao. It's not only me who has problems with the corners of the tape.
No.
Dirk is struggling also.
It's try another corner.
Just to letting you know, working is dangerous. I'm heavily wounded. As you can see here, I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but heavily wounded because of this little piece here.
It's a stall warning.
The stall warning. Just look out because there are sharp edges.
Okay.
Okay.
Finished.
Finished. It's a wrap. It's wrapped around the
Leading edge.
leading edge. We are ready with the left and the right side of the aircraft.
Yep.
And I must say, I'm happy with the result.
The result will look even better when the moisture has gone
Yeah.
from below the
There is
protector,
still
so-
some moisture under the protector, but
Yeah.
I think we can say that the result is
Yeah.
good.
You hardly can see it, huh?
You
But
hardly
it's
can
still
see
there.
it.
It's still there, believe it or not.
Yeah. So
And
yeah, it's how long did we do?
I think we started at 10 a.m. in the morning
10
with a 1 hour break.
An
3
hour break,
hours
3 hours for the
for both wings.
both wings. So yeah, I must say I'm pretty happy with it.
Yep. And now the box should come off easier.
Yeah. According to our
according
friend
to-
in
yes,
in the
Scott.
US, Scott.
Yeah.
So we will see when the summertime or spring is in the country and the bugs
Yeah.
are coming out. We will see if the protector does his job, eh?
Yep, or
so
not.
Or not. that will be the $1 million question.
Yeah.
No, but we are ready with the works. So yeah, I think. Do you have anything to say,
Yeah.
Dirk?
Well,
No?
I hope it stays on. So the next flight that we don't see some plastic
Yeah.
coming off. That would be a surprise, but I don't think that will happen. So
No. So yeah, okay. This is work finished for today. I hope you liked the video. So subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and I hope to see you on the next one.
all right.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.